Okay, so to channel my inner Hufflepuff, I decided to put on my most Hufflepuff looking shirt, and let's get started. I always fail to clean my brushes. So taking a fluffy brush, we're going into the James Charles Morphe collaboration, oh my gosh, we're going into the James Charles Morphe collaboration palette into the color B. Using a fluffy brush, we are going to be taking the color B and packing that into our crease. This yellow is so pigmented, I don't know if you can catch it on camera. I swear, I don't think the camera does it justice. Now we're going into the shade Code James with a different fluffy brush. And we're gonna try and do a nice transition. So we're going into the shade No Beans. Just putting that on top of Code James, the color that we just used. Now we're gonna go into the black in the palette, and that is called Spooky, and I love that because I too love a lot of spooky things. And I'm gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna attempt to do my very first cut crease here on camera, so I'm a little bit nervous. Gonna deepen up this black, really make it black, because Hufflepuff's colors are yellow and black. Okay, so I finally blended it out to how I like. So now we are going to be going in and cutting the crease, and I'm so nervous because I have never done a cut crease before. I'm so sorry I didn't take the time to walk you all through this, but I was really trying to concentrate for this step. I will have Manny MUA's makeup cut crease tutorials in the description down below. And I'm actually going to clean it up a little bit right there. Oh, that surprisingly looks okay. Huh. Oof. Well, that is history in the making for this makeup channel, because that was my first ever documented cut crease. So, now taking a smaller detailing brush, I'm actually going back into B, and I'm going to be putting it on my lower line. Okay guys, so I actually took a quick little intermission. I went up and I helped my brother set up his new phone. He got his new iPhone today, like I told you in the previous video. So off camera, I actually had the time to touch it up and make it look a little bit better, just clean it up a little bit. And I popped on one magnetic lash from Ardell. They're the 110s, in case you were wondering. And I'm actually going to be getting started on this complete half of my face. I'm going to be doing it in a badger kind of theme, because that is the mascot basically for the house of Hufflepuff. Okay, so for this half of my face, I already said that I'm going to be doing a badger themed. So I actually got these art palettes from the Dollar Tree. And literally the day after Halloween, all of the items in the store were half off. So I went in and I got some of these cream makeups. So I have one in black and I have one in white. So to help me with the outline of my face, I'm actually using a white pencil eyeliner from Wet n Wild, purchased at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so as you can see, this is still a work in progress. To help me, I actually went online and I looked up some Hufflepuff pictures of the badger, and I just used that as an outline for this half of my face. Okay, so as you all can see, this is the final result. This is the glam Hufflepuff side with the cut crease. My first cut crease ever, might I add. I think it turned out pretty well. I like it. I watch a lot of Manny MUA, so I better know my cut crease by now. And my halo eye and my half cut crease. So I think I did a pretty good job. And here is the Hufflepuff Badger side. And I did the black lip using the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!